First, I want to say thank you to all the people that watched this week. Um, a lot of it's just entertainment, but most of everything that you see is real. There ain't nothing fake about that. Pretty much, the state of Georgia made a mistake in 2016, but at the same time was trying to save Resource MFG and was trying to save General Mills, where because I'm disabled mentally, well, at least they said that. That's what I was diagnosed, but haven't been intellectual. Um, I was wrongfully terminated on the floor. Where that case, I lost half that case, and I don't even know why I lost half of it when I got cussed out on the floor. In the state of Georgia, this is a right to hire, right to fire state, and I think they need to make changes, especially the way I've been treated the last 6 years. Let's just make it 10. It wasn't until last night that I had to physically go in my phone and get every one of these fucking whitelists. All these blocks, these parental blocks that y'all put on my phone. It took weeks to do that. You think about this. Wonder if I showed the world exactly how y'all do that and how to fix it. Or maybe just tell the world that y'all doing it anyway and they'll put these smartphones down. Something told me years ago after I was watching my programs disappear and then the music that come off a CD that I converted to an MP3, I guess they assumed it was stolen or I downloaded it, they went and started sucking it away. That ain't right. So I manually had to go in and download it again, and now they're saying I'm taking the music. So then they start sucking my programs away, but the government does that. Google does that. Facebook does that. YouTube does it. Y'all say we have privacy rights, we can opt out, but yet we got ads that they're still in. The ads bring malware and adware. I actually take care of phones pretty damn good. I normally don't buy a phone but once every 2 years, and y'all go blasting me going in here. I got Verizon Wireless, AT&T, Assurance Wireless, Metro PCS, Cricket Wireless. I mean, I got all these some phone carriers I ain't never had before. Like what is it, Consumer something? I ain't never had that before. I got all these phone carriers just sitting there in my route. For what? I remember days I'd write a code. Damn, this promotion come out the next day. Here comes Verizon with this big old promotion. Verizon, let me tell you something. You keep doing that, and I go back through here again, I see your name again, you're gonna be on that list I can get back. Because I still got every fucking phone bill from 2016. And I never had a jetpack. But that was just where I was going in there while I had my cloud and you raising my bill because you was in there stealing ideas from me. All so you could have 5G. Same with Cricket. The same with Apple. MediaTek. Mariah Dooley. I'm done with that. And I'm going to say this too. The government too. They just come get my whole goddamn computer. They do it all the time. Or put me in a situation where I have no choice but to sell it. And then they right behind me and they go get it. I'm not done. I'm sick of that. See, I'm gonna make some changes just like I did that other year. See, if I don't get that phone call tomorrow, or none this week, nor my back pay, I ain't waiting no more weeks. It takes 3 weeks for the process. If it don't come this week, that account don't get unlocked. Your state representative blocking me, Brian Kemp, you ignoring me, and Mark Butler, we don't make me find where you at, because you're an idiot. They need to just get rid of you. I don't mean to say it. You get that, go, what you gonna do? You gonna go get somebody else's mama to be the examiner to the son that replaced me? Come on, man. See, and that's what y'all trying to cover it up. Blacklisting me ain't gonna work. See, eventually I'm gonna get off of it. I'm gonna figure out a way to get out of it. And then I'm back through Facebook and I'm gonna start talking shit again. Give a damn but the COPA law, hate speech, fuck that. Y'all been hating on me. I ain't getting over that shit. Cause let me tell you something that you did to me. Look, you made it to the point where I can't go work at a factory. You made it to the point, you know why? Yeah, you know why. Because remember those 3 agents I put on that ground with them badges on? The same way y'all been putting all these black and white people on the ground, you shooting them, raping them, and doing all that mess. Because y'all broken my shit too. So I'm telling you something. You gonna make it right? Because I got 3 reference numbers. EOC, they're 100-something days to come up. It's time to make judgment now. They've seen enough. I've sent analytics to them. I got more with names. I got a whole list of names. I got 594 that stole my identity. I guess her name Amy Levine. At least she's going by that Tyler Wanda, New York. Her too. Some dude named Michael Harf. You? Yeah, you fool. They do Brian up here at Metro. God forbid. Today, I'm gonna call them today. If they don't make it right, oh, trust me, I'm gonna see that nigga knife stealing my bank account information back in March. Hire me and never give me a start date when I called to get one. See, it's not a game no more. Or the fact that he owns T-Rock and they were playing this game, keep getting in my bank account. They shut my bank account down. This is the 2nd time. And his company's done it twice. I got rid of that district. I'm gonna get rid of his ass now. I'm gonna tell you something about secret societies to me. Don't mean shit. Don't mean a thing. It really don't. Excuse my language. It just don't mean a thing. When you're invading my privacy, you're violating more laws than one, and then this is to the NSA. Y'all got no business doing that. Didn't they tell y'all to back out of that? And I'm gonna tell you something. You keep messing, and y'all sat there and watched me the other day knock one of you guys down, just like I did Richard Hatch. Boom. Y'all sat there and watched y'all in the other little bit of the square screen. Watch me as I pummeled him to death. His entire core fried. And his phone. Then y'all try to reverse it on me and it didn't work. Because every one of those phones that I fry, I make sure when they immerse MIT me, I reverse it. Ask these fools. These fools sold me government computer. Think about it. It ain't my fault. You let Facebook do it. The same immerse tool that they use, I got it now. And I took, how many? It's over 300 some computers. And I've been snooping in my shit. Yes, there's a copyright sitting right on it. So when you do it, I'm hitting the button. And I go in airplane mode. I got to sting you. Nobody can do that much. No, well, y'all been doing it. You ain't stop them fools. Or when you want it, you don't tell them phone carriers to stop it. You go in there and you take some of mine, I'm going to give you father time. I'm going to give you a reason to call it chicken. Don't do it. Don't you do it. YouTube was nice enough to give me my movie back. Facebook ain't nice enough to cut that live back on because they know they got caught. The only reason they banned me on my other page I had since 2014, about the same time that I did my little computer business and he started that marketplace, because I showed the world what he's doing. And he lied on the oath. Y'all ain't gonna do that. Nor for the 2nd or 3rd time, You're not going to pay me for that. You're not going to pay me no severance, none of that mess. Just like Brian Kemp sleeping on me and blocking me now. Because he knows the truth. Just like that Zen was a fraud. It's fraud going on. Shut up. You using Ada and you using Ada bot and you're using Zendesk. I'm tired of it now. You and Mark Butler. I'm tired of it. I can prove that. It ain't going nowhere. It ain't staggerized. It's fixed. I got 15 to about, if I count total, all the way from 2016, 450,000 photos. The way y'all been doing that, along with NSA. Down to GUIDs. And the ones that was in this one. And the apartment that they set it up in. Same one I bought it from. Right there on Gwinnett Drive. Just like Savannah. Got her too. Mariah Dooley got her too. Jason's phone went out. Patrick Millis, Brian, Michael Hart, down with the ship. Richard Hatch got rid of him years ago. He's the FBI. I've been doing this since the age of 8. I just started learning coding 3 years ago. I'm getting pissed off. My program got stolen by this company. And they put a little dupe hack in there and caused me to lose that program I just bought. More money than they've cost me. Now I'm tired of this now, Mark Butler. Now I've got all the proof and y'all sleeping on me. It's the coronavirus. Shut up. It's been coronavirus about everything. Ask Social Security. Along with the same place my car came from. Y'all are fraudulent. Using emulators on my car. Tap my goddamn car. What is wrong with y'all? No, I'm not getting over it because nobody's fixed it. The medical malpractice, the legal malpractice, and the fact this executive branch is fucked up. Down here in Georgia, yeah, I don't mind leaving. But I want my money first. And I will leave. I won't be here no more and you don't want me here. Believe you me. That's the truth. Y'all sit up there in your ties and your high heel shoes on. Huh? Let me tell you something. I'm not going to beat another son of a bitch. I get be homeless again about this shit that y'all doing. Oh, I've already made steps. Supreme Court. And all y'all want to find new jobs. Just like I did. Now I say that not to be bitching, not to be whining and moaning. I say that to represent others that went through that, just like those customers that I spoke to. And then y'all had the nerve to offer me my job back. I'll take that job back, but I'm going to tell you something, fool. I want my back pay, Mariah Dooley. You want this to disappear? I want my back pay. You want that building to keep running by that mall and not move again? I want my severance. You want to keep your fucking job and not be charged or go to prison. I got the facts to prove it, woman. Along with your ignorance you hired. Even the ones that came from Berlin, as I still rhyme to you. I want all the unemployment that you owe me back to December 20th. And I want to know who the hell broke in my goddamn account using a label through Google. So you and Zuckerberg, y'all Massachusetts asses, Cambridge Analytica asses, Lincoln asses, better get it together. Because if you don't, along with Facebook, Instagram, and the rest of them sons of bitches that use Zendesk and that onboarding tool, all them the little programs I use, it's like I got an enterprise computer that I own now, and it's my governmental enterprise computer, Windows 12. I'm going to give you hell. And I'm going to keep giving you hell every fucking day. You're going to make me get to the point. I'm going to go down there, I'm going to log on, and I'm going to shut it down. I said it. Because you had no right to be in my shit. And if they don't make it right, this ain't no threat. This is for real. Because you violated my privacy more than once, way a long time ago. And I got the first day that you did it, and it matched. I'm going to haunt you. Later on today, I'll be teaching you how to find a spoof, reverse that spoof without a program, using a few tricks to the trade that I did to minigrams that tried trade high IQ. Get it? And when I leave, after I do it, inject you, just like you injected me, yeah, I don't leave a trace. Get it? Good. Glad we got it established. Tomorrow, the examiner will call me. And if they want it squashed, because I've been broke into that damn account of mine, y'all better call me, because you know the number. Stop avoiding me before you have a lawsuit in the state. And I mean it. And each individual I caught, they're going down with your ship, along with Brian Kemp and Mark Butler's ass too. I got one just like y'all now. You ain't gonna try it like you did that first time, because I'm ready for you at any time. So set another mode. United Nations, I don't give a fuck. Pentagon, I don't give a fuck. Military, woman, wanna be a man, unicorn. I'm going home.